Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I'm attempting to do Polygel Eco Claw nails with dual forms, even though I haven't used dual forms in like 5 years. So come on in, sit back, relax. Remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already. And let's get on with the video. Alright y'all, so I have my hand here as, well, obviously, duh, that's the whole point of the video, to do my nails on my hand, I'm sorry. But I have them nice and bare, and usually I start out with my nail tips already on, but this video is a bit different because I'm using dual forms. These are the Novo Ovu. I hope I'm saying that right. It reminds me of Uvu, which was like similar to Skype. If anybody remembers Uvu, like, oh my gosh. That just threw me back for a second. But these are their dual forms, and I haven't used dual forms in about 5 years. When I first started doing polygel nails, I started off with dual forms because those were in the beginner kits. And then I watched a tutorial of someone using half cover tips and I never looked back. But now I'm coming back to it, and as you can see, these are different than the usual dual forms. These are Eco Claw. I saw these like pictures of nails like this on Pinterest and I was like, I gotta do this. So I found the nail tips that a lot of people were talking about, and we are going to get started. I have my dapping dish here and I'm pouring some 91% isopropyl alcohol in it, and this is what I use to do my polygel nails. You can also use slip solution, which is typically found in polygel kits, but I really like using this instead. And I just got this from Walgreens. This is literally the only one that I use. I'm gonna try not to say the word literally so many times. I can't help it. Take a shot of juice every time I say literally. I am filing my nails with I believe this is 100 grit. Hold on a second. Yes, it is 100 grit hand file, and I'm just gonna rough up my nails a bit because they are a bit smooth, and I don't really like to do polygel on smooth nails. So I'll just fast forward this little bit right here.
Riding big, the one police try to catch riding dirty in the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shine and pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and pretty. My pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know as soon as they see my jewelry. If being fresh to death is a crime, I think it's time for me to see the jury. That's they on the grind. Hustle like me is hard to find.
Since I don't think anyone, even me, can function day to day with these eagle clawed shaped nails, I am going to do a peel off base, and I'm putting that off to the side because I'm not adding it just yet, but we definitely don't need these on for long. Like, I don't know how I could even text with the nails curved. I don't even like my nails to curve when I do them long. That's just my preference. But anyways, I'm getting in with some Makartt polygel. I love using Makartt's polygel. I think it's really good and it's affordable. This is their clear one, so obviously it is clear. Some of their names are like, they have like cute names for them, but this one is literally just called clear. Like, there's no name for it. But I am squeezing some of this into the dual form, and please remember, I haven't done this in 5 years and I've never done this shape, so this is so new to me and I'm like kind of scared. I didn't put enough here, or maybe I put a lot, I don't know. But the first one came out looking interesting, and I will show 2 different types of like application. I feel like the thumb came out a bit interesting, and the index nail was like the best one in my opinion. This is all an experiment, so this is me trying this out. This is not me saying, hey yo, I'm a professional. I am definitely not, but I did my best and I think it came out pretty good. But I did dip my brush into isopropyl alcohol, and I'm using an acrylic brush like I normally do with my polygel nails. I think I should have used an actual polygel brush instead, but that's okay. But I also want to apologize for being out of frame because I don't know, sometimes I'm out of frame. I put the dual form off to the side, and now I am adding some of that JELLO peel off base coat. And I'm not gonna cure this, I'm gonna just add the coat and then put the dual form on top. And this is the part where I got a little messy. You'll see what I'm talking about, but it was kind of like sliding around. I don't know how to prevent that from happening. I don't know if it's the base coat or if it's the polygel just like that, but it was very difficult to get it on the nail and to stay there before I went to go cure it under my nail lamp. So this is what I mean when I was struggling. And then I noticed that you do need to size up a little bit with the dual forms. I should have said that earlier, but you need to size up a little bit because once you fill it in with the polygel, it makes it a little bit smaller and then it kind of looks weird. So I did fix the nail by filing later on, but yeah, this one came out a little interesting. Okay, so now it's time to remove the dual form, and I actually used one of my cuticle pushers, the other end of it, to like get underneath and pluck it off. And then there you go, the nail is finished. Well, it's not finished, but that's just what it looks like after I pulled it off, and it looks pretty cool. Like, this is my first time doing a nail shape like this, so I was like, ooh, I feel like Catwoman, like I feel good. But I'm wiping off the tacky layer with some alcohol, the same alcohol I used to mold the polygel. And then I'm going to get into filing. I would have finished all the nails first and then filed, but I was so excited. I really wanted to see its potential, so I started filing first and then I went back and did the rest. I've never filed a nail shape like this, so I had no idea which drill bit to use. I just went in with a barrel drill bit first, and I tried to like fix certain parts that were like a little imperfect. I switched out this drill bit for like 2 or 3 others in the process, just because I was just trying to experiment and figure out what to do. I had no idea, but I think it came out pretty good with the filing job. Maybe could have done a little bit better, but getting that little part underneath where the nail curves is really tricky. I needed a thinner, more narrow drill bit to get under there because there was some extra polygel that had come down that cured when I put my nail in the nail lamp, and I want to file that off just to clean up underneath it. That was like the main thing I was trying to do. The top was pretty good, it was the underside I wanted to fix up, so this is probably not the best drill bit to use, but I did end up going with it and I made the best of it.
I can't let go, 'cause being confused just takes control. I hope we can start brand new, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Oh no. With the love we shared, baby, it's all so rare. I'm willing to try and make you see that all you need.
Okay, before I move on to like the end of this set, because it's obviously very simple, it's just clear nails, I do want to show you how I did the index finger. It wasn't too different. I just feel like this one came out so flawlessly, I didn't need to file it. Like the other nails I needed to file, I just got lucky with this one. So I wanted to show you how I did it, because even I don't even know how I managed to do that, but it came out so nice.
You've gotta let me know just how you feel, yeah. I don't wanna stay, no, no. I don't really wanna go, and I don't want to go. Get it together. Come on, babe, let's get it together. I don't really wanna go. I really hope and pray, can we get it together? Come on, boy, get it together, yeah. See, I'm so confused. I just don't know what to do, and I don't understand. No, you know I don't wanna stay. You know I don't wanna go. Baby, please listen to me. I don't wanna. I really wanna stay. I don't wanna go. I really need to know. Can we get together? I hope, I pray, baby.
Alright, so I'm taking off this dual form and it like looks so good. Like look at it, hold on. Look at that! That was the best one. That was the best reveal. It's so nice. It's clear, so it's see-through. It looks so majestic. And, you know, I thought it was uphill from here, but, you know, it was not. They came out decent, but that was the best nail, I swear. The other ones I had to file a bit more, so I wiped out the tacky layer on that one, and for the sake of length for the video, I'm just gonna go straight into top coating my nails. So I skipped over the application and filing, and look at them. They look good. I'm proud. Oh, damn. I'm sorry, I forgot. So I was getting a little... So I was working a long time on this. So after filing, I got tired. I took the glove off to eat, and I ripped it off. So I don't know why I left it on like that. It's so ghetto. I'm sorry. But anyways, I'm going in with my no wipe top coat. And
So tired of the world knowing your mistake, and the tears keep rolling.
Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you loved how these nails came out. I think they came out pretty good. I know there are some bubbles in it, but I actually like that, so that's why I left it the way that it is. But if you liked the video, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.
See a tear fall slow down a black Jeep, setting quiet.